Are you tired of losing your edge in the cutthroat business world? It's time to break free and take charge as the strategic powerhouse that your business is and has always been. Say hello to our business strategy PPT template, a comprehensive toolkit with effective tactics and frameworks. Grab SlideTeam's business strategy template and strategize like a boss. It's time to download and dominate. Discover the key to winning over your customers and meeting their needs and wants with this content-ready presentation. Showcase your product's standout features and benefits and create an irresistible value proposition that leaves a lasting impression and drives customer loyalty. Chart your path to marketing success that drives your brand forward, from expanding market reach to boosting customer engagement. This PPT design will guide you toward strategic triumph. Deploy targeted strategies to captivate and inspire your audience, fostering engagement. This PPT framework provides the roadmap to build a bond with your target market, driving long-term success. Get SlideTeam's Business Strategy PPT bundle and get the strategic acumen to dominate your market. This PPT set is the fuel for operational excellence. Use it to determine team initiatives and deploy effective strategies to achieve organizational goals. Reinvent your business with a winning model. Formulate a new approach that disrupts the market and drives sustainable growth. This PPT set unlocks the blueprint for your visionary transformation. Drive market development, product innovation, and process enhancement with this ready-to-use PPT slide. Identify key initiatives and track KPIs to get ideal results. With our business strategy PPT bundle, realize your vision, outplay your competition, and make your mark in the industry. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net today.